Alright, hey, how's it going, everybody? Just wanted to make a little video here. Things are a bit sideways. So my brother has an issue. He dropped his iPhone. His 3GS this is his third one. And as you can see, there's a fallout on the screen. His digitizer quit working. You can sling it and get it to unlock if you kind of just... There it goes. But that's half the issue, because all of these icons, the send button, the space bar, nothing. None of it works. So that's no good. So what we have here... Oh, we had notifications. We have a new digitizer screen, home button, and assembly. Try to get it a little in focus here. But yeah, there you go. Screen, assembly, home button, everything you need. Buy it as one set, makes it much easier. I don't know if you guys know the tools you're going to need. Small eyeglass screwdriver, suction cup of some sort, some hemos, something to pull on the suction cup with. Some people have drilled holes in it and put key loops through it, keychains. I don't know, whatever works. You just need a good firm hold on it. So what we're going to want to do here is just shut the iPhone off. While that's shutting off, we're going to set our suction cup near the home button. Wait for it to finish powering down. Damn thing take forever. We're going to give it a nice tug upwards. Alright, maybe this is a better viewing angle here. So with a nice tug upwards, with your suction cup on the home button. There we go. The bottom side of the two screws next to your data port are going to lift up. A little bit of pressure. But be careful not to pull too hard, because inside of here are 3 data cables. Let's see if I can shine the light in there. Kind of hard to see. I'll point them out with the screwdriver as I take them off. Alright. Now with the iPhone open and propped back, maybe we can get some kind of light here. Oh, I guess that would have been smart, turning the light on my iPhone on. Alright, your data cables being 1, 2, and 3 is under here. We'll get to that in a second. Gently, from the side of the number 1, get under and just give it a little pry up. That's going to free up a lot more mobility. You can open the lid a little higher. Under the base of the 2, get under there and just give it a little pop. This is the tricky one. Now you see 3 down here. See this little gray box? Let's see if we can focus. This little gray box has a band tag and a safety latch. So you lift up this little latch here, folds to a 90, don't be too rough with it. With your screwdriver, just push backwards on the ribbon cable, and that'll free the 2 sides of the device. You're halfway there. Now we take our nice new face, and you just want to peel your corners back so that you don't get them stuck in the rest of the iPhone, because I've had to do that and go back, and that's never fun. Also, when you get these new, you'll see that these data cables are very rigid. They're standing up. They're not bent back like the ones that were in your phone, because these have been here for a long time bent. These are new. You want to be gentle. There's a dotted line on it, and you want to kind of put your screwdriver at the base, and with one finger fold your cables over. Don't be too rough. Now with some patience and some hand skill, you want to plant the top of the phone in, lift up on the number 2 ribbon so you can see 3. I know it's really hard to see this. Sorry, you guys. I think we've got it. Oh, yep, there it is. You just kind of wiggle back and forth till you get 3 to seat in properly. And then your little latch, just push back down flat. You're almost there. First you take your 2 cable, line it up evenly. Make sure you're lined up. You don't want to mess these up. That'll be the end of it, and you'll be very upset with yourself. And you'll know when they line up because it'll sit in. You'll feel a pop. Now again, with number 1, you got to kind of close the lid a little bit. Hear the little snap? Well, that's all it is. Now plant the top of the phone in here and work your way down the body, meeting the glass into the iPhone. Now that the glass is nice and seated, keep pressing so that it's firm. We're going to turn the phone on. Make sure it works. Oh, boot it up smooth. Taking forever to boot. We should have timed it on the boot. Alright. There's my brother and his girl. Wait for us to catch your data. This way I know the phone's booted and ready. Oh, slide button's holding. There's messages, phone, and of course, Nazi Zombies. That's the must-have Apple app. If you have any Apple product, as you see, you better have Nazi Zombies. It's a must-have. So, now that that's on, we'll shut the screen off. You'll feel a little tab here. You just want to lift up on that, revealing your brand new microphone. And then from the top, you're going to peel down the screen protector. And voila. That is it. That is a brand new, fully installed. Oh, back up. There we go. And that is how you replace the screen and digitizer and get your precious iPhone back. Trust me, you guys, I have a ton of Apple devices and I wouldn't know what to do without them. So when you drop one and it breaks, it's sad. Finish the installation by installing your 2 screws in the bottom, and that's it. Pentalobe driver or possibly Phillips screwdriver, depending on the model. And, well, that's about all. On that, next time something breaks, I'll make another video. You guys have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think.